For over 2 decades, Lone Star Analysis has provided applied decision intelligence and engineering solutions to help organizations achieve decision superiority. We harness predictive and prescriptive analytics and evolved AI to deliver analytics software and solutions for improved confidence and reduced uncertainty for mission-critical decisions. By deploying our digital twin technology, we are addressing some of the most important issues facing DoD today: pilot safety, supply chain shortages, and budget efficiency. With sponsorship from the U.S. Navy, Lone Star has a patent-pending digital twin analytics solution to help fleet managers improve operational availability and safety. With no need for sensors, MaxUp ORDAIN enables condition-based maintenance to dramatically improve component service life decisions. This innovative technology is part of our award-winning MaxUp Readiness solutions, offering advanced operational analytics software for maximizing readiness across diverse assets. Energetic devices are pivotal in aviation mission execution and safety equipment. They perform critical functions such as launching weapons, triggering fire extinguishers, and aiding pilot ejections during emergencies. Despite the significance of these crucial components, the Navy contends with persistent challenges like shortages, outdated parts, failed lots, and delivery delays. To exacerbate the challenge, there is currently no health monitoring capability to assess remaining service life. For safety reasons, conservative useful life limits are therefore set, often leading to premature removal of parts with substantial remaining usability. Consequently, approximately 70,000 energetic parts are replaced annually with useful life remaining. Imagine having a solution that integrates uncertainty, enhances pilot safety, addresses supply shortages, and extracts maximum value from component inventories. Introducing MaxUp ORDAIN. This innovative technology applies predictive analytics to deliver a more efficient approach to component lifecycle management. Leveraging existing maintenance and operational databases, along with analyses like cockpit thermal studies and weather data, the solution accurately forecasts component service life, both life expended and useful life remaining, over an 84-month period. All of this is accomplished without the need for installed aircraft sensors. To predict service life, failure analysis is performed across entire component populations. Considerations include installation dates, operating locations, and environmental exposures. These MaxUp ORDAIN failure twins calculate stress accumulation over time for each component to predict service life, both what is used up and what remains. To date, 4 key findings have been generated. Accurate assessments of component service life, both expended and remaining, can be made. These assessments are possible without installing cockpit sensors. The currently established 24-month service life for evaluated components is not optimal, and the digital twin capability can be operationalized within a cloud-based environment. A business case analysis reveals a substantial 59% yearly cost reduction for these components through the adoption of the digital twin technology. With MaxUp ORDAIN, we maximize readiness, enhance safety, address supply chain challenges, and deliver a fiscally responsible alternative to component lifecycle management. The solution is agnostic and can be replicated to thousands of other components in the DoD weapon system inventory. To see a full demo of MaxUp ORDAIN, email us at information@lone-star.com. To learn more about Lone Star Analysis Solutions, please visit our website at lone-star.com. We deliver decision superiority.